Welcome to this introductory video on SAP HANA. So in this course, we will see that what is SAP HANA database and how we can create our SAP HANA instance using BTP cockpit. And after that, we will see that how we can create a SAP HANA project on Business Application Studio and how we can use Business Application Studio to calculate our database, and we can create calculation view. So who all can take this course? It's a very user friendly course, and it does not require any such kind of higher level prerequisites. You just have to be a person of SAP domain, or else if you want to learn this SAP HANA database, you can learn as a student also. Like if you are just college pass out and you are interested in learning SAP HANA, so you can also take this course. So in this course, we will see that how we can use SQL in SAP HANA, and how we can create the calculation view in SAP HANA. So welcome to this course, guys. Please check the full playlist for the detailed learning, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.